In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a text wrap component to create these beautiful layouts with text that wraps around transparent PNGs. Now, let's dive in and take a look. So I've got this project open here, which is just a demo project. And inside of here, I've got some text wrap components. Now you'll notice the text wrap component is here. And in the settings, this is where I specify the image to be placed inside of the text wrap component. And then alongside that, I add my text to it that I want to wrap around the image. So I'm going to build another one of these from scratch. You can see how it works. I'm going to take the text wrap component and we're just going to drop it at the top of the container here. And you can see this is telling me to drop an image, SVG or video into here. So I'm going to go to my resources and I'm going to grab an image and we're just going to drop that in there. And now we need some text. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate the text here so that we've got a nice length of text to work with. And I'm going to do that by holding Option and just dragging this. And I'm going to drop this into the content here or inside of this component like this. So it's as easy as that to get your text to flow around images. And we can obviously customize the settings as to exactly how this works. So let's take a look at those. We've obviously got our image and we can give it an alt tag. So I'm just going to call this Homer. And we can set where the image floats. So we can set right, left, and none, which will just place the text underneath. So we can place these either side. And then we can set the width of the image, how much of the container it should take up. So 40% looks about right to me. We can set the margin. So you can see as I make this different, the text comes in closer and we'll try to go in closer to the image there. Let's set that to 0. So this is really up against the edge and it will do its best to work a way around that. But we'll make this a little bit bigger to give some breathing room there. And this threshold, this is works depending on how opaque the pixel is. So if you've got a gradient or something that feathers out, like you might have a transparent PNG that's a glowing ball and it's got a gradient that fades out to the edges. You can change this by modifying the threshold here. So this is all there is to the text wrap component. It's really easy to use, really straightforward, and you can do these amazing layouts with it. You can use your own resources, a custom resource, so you can link to something on your web server, or you can use this component within the CMS as well. So that's it for this video. If you need to know more about the text wrap component, do check out the documentation, and if you have any questions, please visit the forum where we're always around to help you out. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next.